Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am creating a Christmas card from scraps. My first idea did not work out, so I ended up using the scraps and came up with this really awesome idea that just happened to really work out. So I love this, so maybe you will love it too, and it gives you a little idea what you can do with a little bit of creativity. So first I just have a regular cardstock, and my background is gonna be a embossed embossing foldered regular white background, just to have a little bit of texture in the back. So I have this die, and it's supposed to give me this really thin outline of a Christmas tree, but it was a disaster and it just ripped apart. So I thought to myself, what about the scraps? That would all just go to waste. How about I cut out little pieces matching each layer and then just layer them as my Christmas tree. So this was the very top. I know there's that hole in the middle. We'll take care of that too. And this is the second piece. I cut out a piece of yellow, measured it that it's a little bit bigger than that area, and I'm placing it slightly lower from the above one, as if that outline was still there. And you can even see on the sides that it aligns perfectly. So I'm thinking what you can do without the die is you can draw a triangle and then waves in the middle, and then cut them slightly thicker, the lines that you draw. And then you can come out with like the same concept. And then this die came with these ornaments. I cut them out in a glitter paper, and this is what I'm gonna use to hide those holes. So it came out really, really cute. I got to use a bunch of different colors. You can do just one color or maybe just two colors and make it stripy, but I wanted to make it very colorful, very easy. All you have to do is just measure out that triangle and then cut waves and put it all together. And here you have a beautiful, simple, yet pretty to look at Christmas card for very cheap. Not a lot of materials needed. Like I said, you can just do one color and then add the ornaments. I think it's a really fun idea. I hope you like this video, and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas.